Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Canva account. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click this button to start the account creation process. You'll then be presented with several options for signing up, which we'll cover next. It's a straightforward process designed for quick access. Canva offers multiple convenient ways to create your account. You can choose to sign up with your Google account, which is often the fastest method, requiring just a few clicks. Alternatively, you can use your Facebook profile for a similarly quick setup. If you prefer, you can also register with an email address, which allows you to set up a unique password specifically for Canva. Select the option that best suits your preferences. After choosing your sign-up method, Canva will ask about your intended use for the platform. This helps tailor your experience, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or using it for personal projects. You might also have the option to invite team members if you're planning collaborative work. Take a moment to explore the free features available, or consider a trial of Canva Pro to unlock even more design possibilities. Now that your Canva account is set up, you're ready to dive into the world of design. You'll find thousands of templates for everything from social media posts to presentations, making it easy to get started. The intuitive drag-and-drop editor allows you to customize designs with your own images, text, and branding. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Start creating stunning visuals today with ease and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.